What's your name? What time is it? Where are you from? When do you go to swim? Which sports do you like most? Why didn't she come to school? Who is your best friend? Okay, what are all these questions? All these questions are WH question words. What, where, which, why, when, who, what time. What is used to ask about a specific thing or object. Where is used to ask about place. Which is used to ask about choice. Why is used to ask about reason. When is used to ask about time, occasion or a moment. Who is used to ask about person. What time is used to ask about time. Okay, how do we form WH question words? WH question words plus an auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. What, which, who, where, what time and when are WH question words. Auxiliary verb be, do or have. Subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Main verbs swim, play, pay, live, and etc. Question words give us information about something. Let's look at our examples. What? What do you like for breakfast? I like cheese and sausages. Where? Where do you live? I live in Africa. Which? Which instrument is this? This is violin. Who? Who is he? He is a doctor. What time? What time is it? It's 12 past 10.